Welcome to the Professional Certificate Program in Digital Marketing for Performance and Growth by the Indian Institute of Management-Kozhikode. I will be taking you on an exhilarating journey through the program, exploring how it can reshape your career or take your business to new heights. Let's begin with a brief overview of the program. The Digital Marketing for Performance and Growth by IIM is a comprehensive course meticulously crafted by industry experts and academic leaders. It covers the entire spectrum of digital marketing strategies, from the fundamentals to the most advanced techniques. Whether you are an entrepreneur looking to grow your business or an aspiring marketing professional aiming to take the next career leap, this course is tailor-made for you. We understand the importance of practical learning in the digital marketing landscape. That's why our pedagogy focuses on hands-on approach. Our experienced instructors will guide you through real-world case studies, interactive exercises, and live projects, ensuring you gain practical experience in not just learning, but also applying digital marketing strategies effectively. So what can you expect as a takeaway from this program? You will gain a deep understanding of search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, content strategy, analytics, and much more. Armed with this knowledge, you will be equipped to craft powerful marketing campaigns and drive tangible results for your business and organization. In the fast-paced digital world, staying updated with the latest trends is crucial. Throughout the course, we will keep you abreast of the most recent industry developments and their relevance to business today. You will learn how to leverage emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and data analytics to gain a competitive edge and scale up your career. Handling real-world business challenges is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Our program prepares you for this reality. Through simulations and real-world scenarios, you will develop the confidence and skills to tackle the toughest of marketing challenges head-on. Let's dive into practical obligations. The program content is designed to seamlessly integrate with real-world scenarios. You will create marketing strategies, optimize campaigns, and analyze data, mirroring the challenges you'll encounter in your professional journey. Upon completing the digital marketing course, you will open doors to a world of exciting career opportunities. You could become a digital marketing strategist, social media manager, SEO specialist, or even start your own digital marketing agency. The possibilities are endless. Finally, let's talk about Jaro education experience. With over a decade of excellence in delivering online programs, we are committed to providing you with the best learning journey. Our state-of-the-art learning platform, dedicated mentors, and a supportive community of learners will ensure you have an enriching and memorable experience. Are you ready to embrace the future of marketing? Enroll in the Digital Marketing for Performance and Growth program by the Indian Institute of Management-Kozhikode today and embark on a transformative journey that will supercharge your career and business. Join us, and together let's shape the future of digital marketing.